Let's talk about a challenge that every crypto holder eventually faces. You have digital assets in a wallet, and you want to use them for your day-to-day life, groceries, home projects, or even just getting around. But how do you bridge that gap without turning a simple purchase into a logistical nightmare? Traditionally, the go-to method has been to convert crypto into fiat through an exchange. On the surface, it seems simple, but this path is often riddled with friction. Using centralized exchanges brings you into a world of intense regulatory oversight, where every conversion can trigger reporting requirements, complex tax paperwork, and tracking of your cost basis. It transforms a simple transaction into a bureaucratic obstacle course. I want to be clear, I am not giving tax advice. You must consult a professional for your specific situation, but the reality is that the paperwork often takes the freedom out of your digital assets. There is a much more efficient, modern approach. I have been using a platform called BitRefill, which is based in Sweden, and it has completely changed how I think about spending. The real standout feature here is their virtual payment cards. Here is why this is a total game changer. First, it is about instant gratification. As soon as your crypto transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, those card details are generated and ready. You aren't waiting days for a physical piece of plastic to arrive in the mail, and you aren't paying extra for shipping. You get the information immediately, right on your screen. Second, the integration is seamless. You take those virtual card details, the 16-digit number, expiration date, and CVV, and add them to your mobile wallet. If you are on Android, you add them to Google Wallet, which means you can just tap your phone at the barber, the grocery store, or the hardware store, just like you would with any other bank-issued card. It is frictionless, fast, and it works where you work. Third, the value. This is as close to spending cash as it gets. A $500 crypto purchase gives you $500 in pure purchasing power at major, reliable retailers. Whether you are shopping at Home Depot for home improvement, grabbing essentials at Walmart, or shopping on Amazon, the parity is 1-to-1. Often, you will find special offers or cashback incentives built into the platform, which means your crypto can end up being worth even more than its original face value. For those who still appreciate the traditional feel, the option to order a physical card is there. But the magic really lies in the virtual side, because it removes the wait times and the unnecessary overhead. At the end of the day, if you are looking for a way to use your digital assets for your day-to-day life without the regulatory headaches or the excessive fees associated with standard retail cards, this is one of the most efficient tools out there. It is about making your assets truly liquid for your real-world needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful and want to see more tips on how to make your crypto actually work for you in the real world, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Use promo code BitRefill at our sites.